I'll show you guys. I haven't seen a video how to do this properly, so let me do this and run you guys through the process of deleting your service oil light. So you're gonna need two wires, two cords. The first one is the OBD2 to the 4-pin for Ducati. The next one is going to be your scanner, the ELM327. This is the 1.4 and it supports all OBD2 protocols. You're going to need a Windows computer. This is a Surface. A Surface Pro 2017 with Windows 10, but it will work anyways. Alright, first go to Amazon. This is the scanner. Make sure you get the one with the FT232RL chip. It will not work. Let me say that very clear, guys. It will not work if it doesn't have that chip. I know the other one is cheaper, but it does not work. I got this one first because it was cheaper and it did not work. So make sure that you guys get the one from Amazon or from anywhere else, as long as it has the FT232RL chip. Next, I got this, the OBD2 to 4-pin from eBay. That's the seller, extremely good person. Gave me the, when I bought it, he told me that it was not for my bike. As you can see, it's not listed. I'm communicating with the seller to let them know that it does work, but the seller was extremely honest and he was not gonna send it to me. He said, hey, it will not work. And I said, I'll try it anyways. The people on the forums are talking about that it does work, so I got it anyways. Next, you're gonna hook up the 4-pin. Go to your bike, get the seat off, remove the cover. Here where your tool bag is, you're gonna see the OBD 4-pin connector here underneath. You're gonna pull this tab up and pull, put it away. Get this one. Put this aside. Sorry about that, guys. You hear that click? Put that there. Let's go back to our scanner. This one goes only one way, so you're good to go. Hook that up. Once it's connected, you're gonna see a faint red light. Once you hook it up to the computer, you're gonna see a much brighter red light. So you're gonna need one with an USB port. You're gonna hear that sound and the lights just went, a few lights just came on. If you wanna see how that looks, I'm gonna unplug it one more time. See, it's a faint red light. You hook it up, there we go. Next, if you would like to, you can go and check to make sure which one is working. You go to this PC, right click, manage, go to device manager. Yep. And here in ports, it's right here. It tells you what port is connected, COM4. That way you know which one to highlight once you go. Okay. Let's go back here. Next, you're gonna need to head to jpdiag.acres.com. I'm sorry if I'm not saying the name properly. And he has a few software here: jpdiag, the belt tensioner, the M3C, and this is the last one, the Melcodiag. Download. Once you finish downloading, I already did all this and I didn't find any clear instructions, and that's why I'm doing this. Let me see if I can help somebody. Then you go to your downloads. You're gonna have here the Melcodiag, extract all. You're gonna have this folder here, and then run Melcodiag. You're gonna see that. Next, you're gonna highlight your COM4, Any Panigale 2013 and up. I have no time to do editing, so I'm sorry about that. And from here, click connect. You're gonna see 2 green lights on the bottom. As it populates, you're gonna see lights here going on. Oh, make sure you turn on your let me disconnect. Let me try that again. Your dash gotta be on. You don't have to run the bike, but your dash gotta be on. Sorry about that. There you go. Dash is on. It's gonna populate your model and all that good stuff. Golly. Let me close that. Let's try again. So make sure your bike is on. Alright, let me move that. There you go. So comfort, highlight that. Any Ducati 2013 and up. And connect. Lights are gonna go on. There we go. From here, you're gonna hit that blue button. It says get license. It's gonna take you straight to your browser. It's gonna populate by itself. All you have to put is your model, year, and all that good stuff. And then you're gonna click email, put your email there, and click send. Once that's done, JP was awesome. He sent me the license pretty fast. Once that's done, he's gonna send you the license. That's the part that was not clear. You gotta put the license right here in the same folder where you have the program, the Melcodiag. Turn off your internet. I'm sorry, not your internet. Turn off your computer, unplug the wires, turn off your bike, and then turn it back on. All that good stuff. Whenever it's all connected, go back to Melcodiag. Remove that there. Highlight comfort. Connect. Once you have everything again, you can go to reset. Service interval, and you're done. That's all you're gonna need to do. I already reset mine. As you can see, I have no light. There you go. And you're good to go. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. I'll answer as many as I can, and safe riding. Thank you for watching.